Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm working on this 98 Camry, and you can see the check engine light is on, and I'm in the midst of pairing my Innova to the phone self application here, and so we're gonna see what it says. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little front eye view of what's going on here, and hopefully we can work this out together. Let's see if I can get the camera to be where will give you the best view. Right now I don't know, so here, let's see if I can set it up better than this. Right, let's see. Oop. Okay, it remembers my last one. Okay, so let's see. We're gonna go back. So we're gonna get the scan tool. Alright, so I think I have a misfire in this vehicle as I was driving the check engine light, and I lost power. So that's what it's saying right now, that a misfire has been reported on this one. And basically I'm going to see where it takes me to, okay? So let's see. So let's look at the freeze frames. Alright, let's see, DDC codes. Yeah, for some reason, maybe the age of the vehicle, the connection between this and the application is not working. I put it in there manually, and it's giving me some options, but you know, it's not giving me what I want. Well, the code said the first one, so I pulled this one. And I hope you can see it, but there's actually sparks at the end of the boot. The boot has actually thrown it out. There's no change when I remove that one. So I think the spark plug wires have given out. So I have a new set coming, and then we'll put it on and then we'll give it a go, okay? Okay, I did a complete update of the firmware, bootloader, everything. And now I'm hoping that it's going to pair. And if you look at the phone, it says it's trying to pair, so let's see if it actually pairs, okay, to this, and then we'll see if it'll do a proper scan and give me a proper diagnosis now that I did all the updates. And hopefully that was the only problem. I hope you can see that. Can you see that? Let's see, it's 92%. There we go. Unable to. Okay, let's turn on I'm going to turn that on, close the door. And we're going to try to relink. Let's see if that's... I don't know. I mean, this has been the problem. I don't know why it doesn't want to link for this vehicle. Let's see. Oh, okay. And continue. Okay, and then I'm going to hit the relink again. It says it found the scan tool, but I think we had that same thing last time too. You know, and so we're going to, you know, it says it found it, so we're going to see if it will link. And we've already, you know, communication error. Okay, we still got issues. Let's try it one more time. Let's try it one more time. And we've already figured out what's wrong with the car. It did give me a P0301, so we know it was a first cylinder misfire. We did find out that it was the spark plug wire that is defective. That's still coming, so I'm still waiting for it. Oh yeah, it said, this says it's paired properly. This says has this connection error. Both the app and the device, I did update. You know, and then we did do that last time, so I don't know what's going on there. Let's see. It says scan tool is paired. I don't know, but it's not doing anything here, so that's kind of weird. This says it's not paired. That says it's paired. I don't know, and it's not giving me, you know. Oopsie. And this wants me to enter it manually, which I don't know. I don't know. Let's go back to the home. Yeah, so obviously that's not the reason. For some reason, it's not working on this system as far as the app here for this app. The you know, so it's not, you know, it's missing VIN and mileage. See, and that's the last app we scanned. So for some reason it doesn't like it. So we'll have to go with the fact that for some reason this 98 Camry, even though. So here's the number one coil. As you can see, there is checking, and this is where the crack happened, and that created the misfire. Basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the plugs and wire set. What I got was this Thunder Core set, American made by Walker. Supposed to be a direct fit, and then I'm going to put in some Denso plugs in this one, the Platinum TTs, and that's what I took out of here. But again, it's, you know, it looks nasty, but these plugs have a retainer. If you can take a look at the new one right here, and we do one at a time, is that there's a little clip at the end, and basically you want to basically push that back before you put it on. And so let's go over here to the number one. I hope you can see it right there. All right. Basically, I'm just going to go under here like this. Okay. And then pull that clip back if I can. Let's see if I can do it without breaking something. And then once that is loose, this thing should come right off like that. Okay. All right. And this, there it is. And there's the plug right there. And then we're going to put the new one on, and that should be good to go. I don't know why that sleeve came off, but you know. But basically we're going to route it the same way. I took the longest lead because that's the number one. And these are American made, high temp, 5 mil, same as the other ones. You know, but I haven't done it since I bought the car. So it's probably time that it needed it. So why not? Let's just get it all done, and then we're just going to line it back up with the same, and then click it back into place, and it should be watertight. There we go, and that's it. And then we'll put the clip back in, and then let's take a look at how that check engine light is doing. Oh look, that little clip holder broke off right there. That's fun. All right guys, it's all done. I got all new plugs, and the entire wire set's been replaced, and let's go for the first start. Okay, let's try this out and see if we still got a check engine light. And let's see if that goes away, because it's idling smoothly. If it doesn't go away by itself, because there is no stumble now, there's no misfire. But again, if it doesn't go away on its own, then I will just use the scan tool and clear it. This is probably what I'm going to have to do, because it's not going out yet. But it probably will take a couple key cycles to actually disappear. But it idles beautifully now. Super smooth. I think we're back in business again. So again, thank you for everyone for subscribing. Thank you for watching another video, and have a wonderful day.